Hello, and welcome to another episode of Virtual Monkey Gaming. I'm your host, Chris, and today we're going to be playing even more Super Mario RPG. Last time there was a marshmallow frogman who wanted me to get a reptilian to give his green coin back so he can get a cricket pie. Yep. So let's do that. There he is. Now, okay, never mind. I always thought as a kid that his pouch that he looks in was like part of his body, and like some sort of gross reptilian marsupial nastiness. Oh god, that Goomba's fast. Oh jeez. Man, they did not kid around. Screw you, Spiky dude. Let's go. Wee. I think, the first episode I did, I said there was like a hidden star or something. This is what I was thinking of. It has the same little shortbread cookie squares that you jump on. Okay, good. That's exactly what they look like. Little shortbread cookies that you get on the airplane. Or that you used to. I guess not this one. Probably another one. Oh, you're a persistent bugger. You're 100 miles ahead of me. Ah. I should probably kill some of these bad guys, so here, oh. God. Take this. Hi-ya. Kill the brown Goombas. Goomba lives matter. Because they do. But in the original Mario, anything that moves right to left is evil. I always liked this like sort of stylized, not 3D but 3D sort of look in SNES games. I think this one really pulled off the depth aspect. Like I know it's a 2D game. Blah. There we go. That's pretty cool. Oh, cool. That works. Kill you. Kill you. You and you. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Dang, I didn't level up? That's nuts. I'm sure I'll level up soon. Dead ending. They won't give up. He's gone into hiding. Get the sniper team down now! What? It didn't even touch me. Whatever. I'll smash this Goomba into the ground. And Mallow's got like Doll Sim arms. Mallow Flame! Honey syrup. Alright. Let's go after this guy. Ah! Whoa, boy! There he is. Your eyes are much faster than your feet. This raid will take you 100 more years to catch me. I don't have that kind of time, bro. Couldn't chase a pumpkin. Guess you're a pumpkin. 50 more years. Wow, that was a 50-year leap. Ah. What now? Oh. Cornered you, son. Even though you could literally just go that way. I was lying! Why? Why would you lie to me, Croco? Thunderbolt. I think I'll just punch him. Boop, boop. Maybe not. Oh god! Holy shnikes, killed him in one hit. I don't have anything to res him with. That's a bad. That's a bad. Guess I'll just keep jumping on him. Jump around. Please don't kill me. I'm just a simple plumber. I don't know why I went Hispanic all of a sudden, but... Yeah, come at me, bro. Oh my god. Just pretend that didn't happen. I'm back at my house. My house? But I already did this. Don't tell me I have to go all the way through that again. Of course I do. Don't you sass me, little man. Would you rush back to tell you? Come on. See, the white Goombas and the brown Goombas are afraid of each other. This game is innately racist. I guess they're called toads. You know what time it hits? Yep. Better watch out. I'll punch your lights out. Or use a hammer and hammer them out. Like tenderizing a pork chop. Yes, I know all this already. Thank you for giving me mushrooms. For giving me pity mushrooms. No frickin' way. No! There's... oh my god. I thought... oh well. I'll probably get back there off screen, but I'll play for a little bit and level up. Man, I really need to live up to my OCD saving standards. But that is bull shrimp. What? That's just a bunch of lard butt. I wonder how Goombas get alive without any arms. Like, how do they do anything without arms? I mean, I'm not saying paraplegics are, well, physically they're less of a person because they're missing arms, but, you know, as far as character and like who you are, they're not. I used to work for a almost a I don't know if he was a quadriplegic or paraplegic. He couldn't really use either. He could use his hands, kinda. And I was like his in-home caretaker, and he was really cool. He was like super relaxed, but he liked smacking me in the nuts and laughing about it. And I had to do everything. I had to bathe him. I had to feed him like a baby. I used to patronize him. I'd be like, here comes the choo-choo train, and he was like a little older than me. He was like 30 something. So I'm not trying to date myself or anything, because I'm a terrible date. I would just take myself to the park and give me a hot dog that thawed out in the sun that I was going to use for fish bait, without any bun or anything. Here's a hot dog. Huh. HP Lovecraft. I still do. I still have to kill this dingus again? Now, I can't remember if I got Fire Orb before and I was already level 3 or not. I should be able to just massacre these fools. It's funny, I kind of like shoot them from my dick. Your puny hammers are no match against me and my punches. Yeah, these guys are easy peasy lemon squeezy. At least it gave me like the HP and stuff, or not XP. XP I had, sorry. I'm totally really good at talking. I know you guys have already seen this stuff, but hey, I'm saying different things, so forget it. Hammer time! Man, I'm getting so hammered. Gonna have to call a cab from this fight and sober up. Oh no. Please die. I'm not even taking any damage. Any damage. Yay! He was made of coins the entire time. I'm actually fighting giant piggy banks. Or in this case, anthropomorphic turtle banks. Hey look, I got this hammer I got before. How about that? God. I guess I'll run this episode a little longer. See if I can get back to at least the chase of Croco. But no promises. I'm gonna try and ride this little bastard now. He is my steed. And he would taste my seed. Ugh, get back here. Nah. Alright, see? I accomplished something. Alright. Yeah, but that. I already did this. So, I went down Nostalgia Lane the other day, and I got this. I'll probably take a picture of it and put it up at some point. But it's like a little. It's just a little rubber ball, but it's in the shape of Sonic, and he's in a ball, and it's super cool. And he's up on my desk. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to hear about things that are on my desk. Which nobody does, probably. But yeah, when I was younger, I was really good at... I mean, it's weird, because when I was younger, I took drawing seriously, and I never thought I was any good at it. And then, not too long ago, I looked back at, like, I was like 13 or whatever, and I was looking back when I was 13 and when I was drawing and all my drawings and everything, and I was like, wow, I was actually really good, like, compared to what I am now. And, like, I tried doing drawing again. And I wasn't nearly as good. And I thought it was going to be like muscular memory, like you start drawing again and you get good again and all that stuff. It doesn't work like that, I guess. At least not for me. Maybe my brain just doesn't do good. I almost forgot. This may not help you. Well, don't tell me. Mario. Go to the cellar and get me some popsicles. Be sure to bend down very, very deeply. Igor here will show you where to bend down. Yes. Now bend. I'll give you $10, a flower, and a mushroom if you do. Only if you're a good boy. I want to see those ass cheeks inside of those denim overalls. So please, it's nothing weird, it's just how you're supposed to get the things in there. Come back here. Wonder what's gonna happen. Anthropomorphic crocodile. And what looks like... You remember that villain on Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and then there was a little thing inside the guy's tummy? I forget what the guy's name is. That looks like Mallow. Like, Mallow's like the good version of that. And they did like those comparison videos to... I think his name was like Crag or something. I don't know. I honestly can't remember. But they did like comparison videos of him and Honey Boo Boo and her child. Is she Honey Boo Boo or is the kid Honey Boo Boo? You know, I never even indulged in that. Because I like my brain. I don't want it to turn into spaghetti noodles. Because that's what happens when you watch reality TV. Why do they even call it reality TV? It's like, it's not, it's the closest thing from reality. I don't even understand. Oh, I'm gonna jump to my death. Because Bowser, if I jump on Bowser, he's gonna pierce my shoes with his spiky back, and I'm gonna cry and scream, and it's just gonna be bad news. Sure thing, bucko. I'm just gonna save. And... Alright, yeah. Yatta! There's a savey block. Boing. Cremdon. Mario Cremdon. That's his full name now. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next time on Virtual Monkey Gaming. Please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what the heck I'm doing right, what's wrong, and what games you want me to play, and everything else. Alright, bye. See you tomorrow.